In this demo, you will learn how to create a CDS view and then display the data of that CDS view using ALV IDA. So I'm going to create a simple CDS view. Go to local objects, take a drop down to your user ID, and here you can see core data services. Take a drop down. I hope you remember how to create CDS view. You have learned it in previous sessions. Right click on data definitions, new data definition, give a name, give description, click on next, again click on next, and I'm going to select template for define view with join. I'm going to create a CDS view for joining of two tables VBAK and VBAP. Click on finish. The first thing that I need to do is give ABAP name for CDS view. So Z ABAP. ALV IDA. Here is the template. Define view, name of the view. This is a HANA name. As select from data source name. Here I'll write VBAK as VK. I'm going to use this alias VK. Left outer join. VBAP as VP, or you can say inner join also if you want. On VK dot VBLN is equal to VP dot VBLN. Now you can select some fields from VK dot, you will get a list of fields. I'm selecting AUDAT, VK dot VB type, VK dot VBLN. Some fields from VP also, VP dot you can select Posner, I'm selecting VP dot Matenar. If you want, you can add some more fields. So this is how I have created a CDS view. Now I will activate this CDS view. Here you can see the status, activation successful. I will press F8 and execute this. I can see the output of this CDS view with required fields. I will close this output. Now I am going to display this output using ALV IDA. So I am going to create a custom program. However, before that, I'm going to take a reference of a standard program which displays the data from CDS view. If you remember, in first demo you have learned how to add a standard package SLV IDA test under favorite package. So that is already added. Now in this list you can see you'll have to search a program which displays the data from CDS view. Here is the program SLV IDA display CDS simple. Double click on this. Here you can see the code. This is actually a one-liner code. They are calling this class CLSLV GUI table IDA, same class. method is create for CDS view, passing the name of CDS view, full screen and display. However, they are also handling exception over here. This is a object defined for this root class CXSLV function not supported, and they are handling the exception within try and end try block. So either you can copy this code or you can write your own code. Let me create my own program. Local objects, under this you can go to source code library, programs, right click, new ABAP program. ALV IDA for CDS view. Next, or you can directly click on finish. So I will first call the class CLSLV GUI table IDA equal to greater than. Now I am going to select second method, create for CDS view, and here I am going to pass name of CDS view. So I will go back to my CDS view. Here you can see my CDS view, and I will pick up HANA name. Go back to my program, paste name over here, dash arrow, full screen, opening and closing bracket, dash arrow, display, again opening and closing bracket, full stop. It's always a good practice to handle exceptions. So let us handle the exceptions. First, let us declare a variable, type reference to root class CLSLV function not supported. Now you can call this within try and end try block. Catch. You can copy the name of the class over here. This is the exception to your variable LO underscore X. Display the message. Type I. Sorry, you have to give full stop after I, and end try. So this is how I have written a program. Now I hope you have noticed that here I am using HANA name of my CDS view. I am not using ABAP name of CDS view. Now let us see what happens if I am using ABAP name, and we will also try what happens if you use ABAP name. So I am going to activate this program. Press F8. Here you go. You can see the output of CDS view. That means if you are using HANA name of your CDS view, it works perfectly. What happens if you use ABAP name? Please try that. Yes, if you use ABAP name, it will give you a nice dump. Why? Because ALV IDA functionality works at database level. It is a code push down functionality for ALV. So obviously you have to use HANA name of CDS view always. So this is a catch. Remember, whenever you are displaying CDS view through ALV IDA, always use HANA name of CDS view. This is the end of this demo. Please go ahead and try this.